What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a motivational day. Say hey, Journey.
Hey, Journey.
No, you talk to yourself. Mama just brought me some fresh coffee in here. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a motivational day, no matter what the circumstances is. You hope them to have a motivational day?
Yeah.
You hope them having a positive day?
Yeah.
That's good, baby. How you feeling today? Amazing?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're having an amazing day. You pretty today too. Look at your shirt. You got a star. That means you a star. You got a star on your shirt. That means you a star.
Hi guys. Why are you looking at my noodles? They're my cheesy noodles. And my cheesy noodles. Oh, okay, you can have some, okay? You can have some. You a hater.
Bro. She finna get. They finna eat her stuff like crazy, y'all.
Y'all, we got a video coming out with some good news.
Yeah.
Short news. I feel amazing. I'm sorry, since you're here. But yeah, y'all. What's that? Thank you. She done took off. Look at that.
Diabetes. We can't be chasing you. We ain't got no shoes on. Ain't no bye. Come on. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys having a motivational day. What the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. Girl, look, come here. We can't be chasing you, girl. You going all the way down there and stuff. So. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Really?
oh,
What?
what?
Good.
Talk to your daddy like that? I don't think so.
She gonna ask me for candy later.
You'll be saying, Daddy, a kissy?
Yeah, and then she gonna say nope. You see how she doing me today?
She acting fake today, Dada. She's still talking smack.
That's crazy. My own daughter doing this to me.
It's okay, baby. We got
That's
it.
what I'm saying. Like, I be going through a lot. Like, for
So,
real.
y'all, I mean, my cheesy noodles, y'all, so I can take my prenatal.
You know you always eat noodles. Like, is you
See? It's being.
really diabetes?
Why you ain't go to the potty?
We gotta cut this for a minute. We'll be back. What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a motivational day. No matter what the circumstances is, you can't get to do anything you want to do. Just keep on putting your passion and your beliefs into everything that you want, and you should succeed it, and you will get where you want to be. So just keep on doing, waking up every day with a smile, or try to smile. Just make your life more important, because you are a very important person. Just keep on doing what you need to do, and that is succeed in life, and wake up every day, strive in life, and show people what's your worth and what you can put your time into and what you can put your dedication into.
Y'all, welcome back. So right now I'm getting the girls ready for bed, so I'm gonna go ahead and make them one of these Salisbury steak meals. They love these. And then it's already 6:30, so I'm gonna put them to sleep at 8. But right now me and Zay just got to clean the room up. We're just chilling. I hope you guys stay motivated, stay positive. And yeah, y'all, look, the weather is just plain. But like I said, we're gonna put this in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and then yeah. See how simple? Simple. Now I'm gonna get me some pop because I'm super thirsty. RC is the best, y'all. I love it. But hopefully you guys are staying positive. Stay motivated. Don't nobody get y'all out of your character or get y'all out y'all's body. Keep pushing no matter how hard life is going to be hard, no matter what. You just got to keep on pushing and show your strong side of yourself. And yeah, you guys. So with that being said, hope you guys stay having a great night and be blessed. And yeah, without further ado, we will catch y'all in the next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell. And make sure y'all share. Because why don't you want to share our videos? I'm not understanding. Yeah, anyways. We love y'all. Peace.